Hello everyone, today on Wilderness Works we are going to build a multi-purpose furnace. So we dug a pit here where the furnace will go, and that stone ring is just kind of symbolizing where we'll build up the walls. And we cut a channel here to another smaller pit, and we're going to put a bag here so that we can do a bag bellows. We're just going to close off the top, line all this with clay, and hope it works. The fire's basically burned down to coals now, so we have a few pieces of test pottery in here, and it seems like the sides of the furnace are fired since we made sure that they were clay, but the outside might not have been, so we put some rocks on here just to help protect it from the rain. So you'll probably be seeing this in some more videos in the future because we might be using this as a forge, a foundry to fire pottery in. So look forward to more videos.